This imposing aircraft is a Boeing 767 freighter, owned by My Freighter LLC. Today, it will embark on a 10-day resurrection journey at SD Engineering Aerospace Hubei Aviation Services Company Limited within Ezhou Huahu International Airport. So how many foreign clients do we have?
Currently, My Freighter from Uzbekistan is our first foreign customer. Middle of June, we have the next foreign customer from Georgia, Central Asia. And the airline is called KMAX. This aircraft comes from Uzbekistan. Now we are providing the heavy maintenance of the aircraft for My Freighter. Now they are performing the engine inspection and restoration.
I took my instrument panel.
Panel installation.
Yeah.
Into the restoration stage of the aircraft. So do you have any questions that you need us to improve on?
Actually, I don't have any question. Look, work is going faster. Your team is great. Major feeling is very good. I see a new hangar.
So let's take a selfie.
We need to check, for example, any structural defect. So we need to open floor panels, look at the structural part of the aircraft. This is a cargo plane. It's from passenger converted to a cargo plane.
What's that?
This is a cargo loading system. When this door is open, a standard container size will be moved in and it can be pushed.
It's very complicated.
Oh yeah, so that's why for maintenance, we have to ensure that the pilots receive a very safe and airworthy aircraft for them to operate. This is SF Airline, our joint venture partner. We are replacing the landing gear of the aircraft. This is the replacement gear, freshly overhauled, and is ready to be installed onto the aircraft. Here we are at the tool crib of our hangar.
How many toolings for repairing our
thousands
aircraft?
of tools control is very strict. This will have a strict control to make sure that no tooling are being left behind after maintenance on the aircraft. This is my office. This office is not big, but it has a lot of memories for me. This is the Great Wall of China. As you can see, he has indicated 万里长城永不倒. And he written down my name, Jian Chong, a gift from my friend. So his implication or blessing to me is that he wished that my career can be as strong and long-lasting as the Great Wall of China. These are the collection of the aircraft models from various of my previous customers and companies. And this is my lovely family. I have 4 children. My wife has visited me for 2 times. My kids have visited me last year in June. First, they came to Wuhan. This is a picture again of cosplay at the Ezhou. My grandfather came from Guangdong in the 1930s. So for the last 15, 16 years, it always has been like a homecoming to me. And so we have a lot of good people here. My colleagues, friends here, they are all treating me very well. So, and I also love the food here. For me, it's like a second home away from Singapore. This is the result of our first completion of our first hangar. In our master plan, we have another hangar building, which is going to be completed by second half of next year. Ezhou would be very quick rising aviation hub in China. It's because of the centralized location in China, having 1.5 hours to all the major cities in China. Please do not gauge the city by its size. It's a strong historical and cultural background. China is very safe in terms of industry, economy. It has been improving and moving very fast. For me, I have great responsibility assigned to me by SD Engineering to lead this SDAH as an MR facility, contributing to the expansion of the facility